Want to find Pinterest keywords that drive real traffic to your website? You're in the right place. I'm Christina, and this is the Social Media Strategy Lab. I drive thousands of visitors to my website each month using Pinterest, and I'll teach you how to do the same. So today I'm going to share my top strategy for finding high volume, low competition keywords on Pinterest, not using any paid tools. This is a completely free process you can do just simply using your Pinterest account. So we're going to start on the home feed in Pinterest, and we're going to enter whatever high-level keyword you're interested in writing about. So the first word I'm going to show you as an example is small bathroom remodel ideas. So this could be used by someone who's selling storage products in a small bathroom or tiles, or it could be used by a blogger who's sharing their own remodel ideas. But you're going to start out with that high-level keyword that matches your content or your product. And we'll go ahead and search. Now, what we're going to do to determine if this is a good keyword for us is we're actually going to look at what's already ranking. So we want to see if the pins on the page match the keyword that we entered. So 27 small bathroom makeover ideas, so very well matches. 30 creative small bathroom ideas. So we can see 8 small bathroom remodel ideas. We can see that the pins on the page very well match the keyword we entered. And what this tells us is that this keyword is high competition. There's lots of pages, lots of blogs, lots of businesses that already have good content that matches this keyword. That is not what we want. We want to find keywords that have that volume, but don't have the competition, so that we'll rank right at the top of this home feed right away. And so how we're going to do that is we're going to refine the keyword by looking at these adjectives that Pinterest gives us. So we're going to scroll through these, and we can see that adding another adjective to that keyword, and we'll get different results. So for example, I'm going to select black. And then again, I'm going to go back and look at the pins. Small black and white bathroom ideas, moody bathroom ideas with a black, 21 small bathroom ideas. So it looks like this keyword is actually pretty high competition as well. So not a good option for us. So unselect that black. And then we can click this arrow to continue scrolling through other keyword suggestions from Pinterest. And we get to the end and we can see Tuscan. Let's click that. Now we look at this. So we do have 25 Tuscan bathroom ideas, but it doesn't say anything about small bathroom, rustic Tuscan. Then just general small bathrooms. So what I'm not seeing, we have one pin here about 3 lines down, transform your small bathroom with Tuscan charm. But in general, most of the pins here match part of the keyword, but not the full keyword, which tells me that small bathroom remodel ideas with a Tuscan style or small Tuscan remodel ideas is a great keyword. It's a high enough volume that Pinterest is suggesting this to me. Pinterest won't suggest it to me unless people are searching for that already, but there's not many pins that match that keyword exactly, and therefore that's a high volume, low competition keyword. Go ahead and write that article. Let's look at another example. So this time I'm going to look for vegan dessert recipes. So again, look at those words, 25 top vegan sweet tooth. We have some specific ads, 10 plant-based sweet recipes, decadent vegan desserts, a variety of clearly matched recipes. Let's try healthy as an adjective. 15 ways healthy vegan desserts, diabetic friendly desserts. So this might be a decent healthy desserts. So there's no sugar. There's some things that match, but we're not getting a lot of hits that match that keyword exactly. So healthy vegan dessert recipes. If you had a recipe blog, you could make a roundup for that. That would be great. Now I select chocolate, and I see that, and I see brownies, and even those these don't have chocolate, this is clearly a keyword where lots of relevant images and pins pop up. So this, again, another high competition keyword, not something I want to target with my Pinterest titles, with my Pinterest keywords. Raw. So raw vegan pantry, there's a picture of dessert, but it's a more generic article. This is generic. We have a no-bake cheesecake, raw cookies. Raw cookies. We have some specific raw desserts. Dairy-free, that's not. So we have one match here, 25 awesome raw vegan desserts. More general raw vegan recipes. So I'd say this is a fairly low competition keyword. We're getting very few results that specifically match that. So someone looking for raw dessert recipes is going to click on the raw dessert results. And that's not what's at the top right now. There's not a lot of those pins out there. So this is a great keyword to target. Don't forget to hit subscribe to get all our best Pinterest tips and tricks.